What if I told you that you haven't yet unlocked the full potential of your Amazon devices? Well, let's show you some easy and helpful features to keep you organized on your Echo Show 15. If you've ever felt like your schedule is all over the place and you need a better way to keep track of everyone's calendars and reminders, here's an easy tip. Alexa, add oil change to my calendar.
Got it, Andrew. What day and time?
Tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Okay, I've added that.
Now, anytime you need to check your schedule, you can just ask, Alexa, what's on my calendar?
Andrew, your next event is tomorrow at 1 p.m. There's oil change.
Now, you can also send reminders or add events for family members like, Alexa, remind Katie to pick up pizza at 5 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind Katie at 5 p.m.
Alexa makes it easy to stay on top of your schedule, and you don't even have to connect any third-party calendars. You can add, delete, or move calendar events or reminders with just your voice, and when you're out of the house, you can actually see your calendar through the Alexa app. But if you want to sync some of your other compatible calendars, you can go into the settings on your device to learn more. This is a great way to get some help and keep things in check, especially when you've got kids to look after. Another helpful tip to stay organized is to use Stickies. This is a great visual for everyone in the house to be able to see and stay in the loop on important things that are going on. Alexa, leave a sticky.
Okay, what should the sticky note say?
Let's plan our family vacation to Hawaii later.
Okay, I've saved your sticky.
And there you go, super pumped to plan that out later. It's gonna be an absolute blast. Now, these stickies are particularly great for any Echo Show device to leave reminders and notes for you and the whole family. And as a husband, guys, by the way, right, it's always nice to leave a cute note for your partner just for fun. Now, my absolute favorite way to stay organized is to make shopping lists that I can access in the Amazon or Alexa apps. There are so many times where I'll think, hey, I need to grab some more of that since we're out, and then I'll completely forget about it when we actually get to the grocery store. So now whenever I need anything and it comes to my mind, I'll just add it to my list. Alexa, add toilet paper to my shopping list.
I've put toilet paper on your shopping list.
On your Echo Show devices, you can use your voice to manage your shopping list or just tap the widget on your Echo Show 15 to add items. You can swipe left to check them off or tap an item to bring it up on your keyboard and edit it. And the lists aren't just for shopping, it's just as easy to create a to-do list with just your voice. So those are some of my favorite ways to stay organized and keep the family in sync with Alexa's help. Give them a try. Just say, Alexa, leave a sticky to get started.